drop person. Equipa just pick person or drop person for there. But not be say they park for them. Not just for a temporary time.
Okay. That one. What you talking about? Now, source of a matter.
Substance fermata.
No. The way you just explain now. Now, sosta or fermata?
Substance fermata.
No, say now 2 different things. No, laugh. No laugh. Now, sosta or fermata. All right, let me explain. I beg.
Can I try?
Eh?
Can I try?
Who is speaking? I want to know that the student of listening.
I wanted to just try so that we'll move ahead now.
Okay, Mr. Prince. Yeah,
me too.
First, when we say you just park your car, you leave the car, go somewhere.
Okay.
Then fermata, you stay inside car.
All right.
Maybe they wait for person.
Exactly. Now, when I watch, please, before I continue, my brother don't try. I beg. If I say on a video, when I watch him, I beg. No verse. When I watch him, I beg. All right. My brother, what you talk now is correct. Watch. Fermata is a temporary action. Example of fermata. For example, you give your brother a lift. Your car key, you know, come out from the dashboard. It's still there. It's a temporary action. You are ready to go. Your car engine is still on. Is it clear? That is fermata. Another example again about fermata is that you reach somewhere, you want to ask police question. You don't park your car. You inside your car, say, please, Kuzi, I want to ask you one question, or you want to ask person question with that side. Your car engine is still on. That is fermata. Now, what is sosta? Sosta is a prolonged. That is, you park your car somewhere, you come out there, you go do spacer. It's a prolonged action. It's not a temporary action. Is it clear now? You just park your car there, and your car engine cannot be on when you park your car. That is sosta. Is it clear? That is different between sosta and fermata. Now, having explained that, we can apply the same thing here. This symbol they see here now, symbol of, actually, we'll see this symbol later on. But for now, that's not our goal. This symbol here is the symbol of deviator of sosta. Is it clear? Now, since you are not understanding the meaning of sosta, sosta means that you cannot park your car here. Now, apply the same thing here. It means you with your wonderful car, you cannot park your car here. Like, as you can see this picture, these cars, they not park in front of here. You see them now. You see it now. I want to shock you guys. Concerning Paso Carabile, even the owner of the vehicle, even the owner of this house, nothing parking car here. He cannot even park his own car here. Is it clear? It's written in this book, we'll soon see it. Even the owner of this particular property here, of this private access, he cannot even park his own car here. But he can do fermata, because fermata is a temporary action. I can give my brother a lift here and move again. Is it clear now? Now let us now go deeper again. Now, what in Paso Carabile? Now, watch. We don't discuss them. Now, in Paso Carabile, many a time, you will now see on top of the write Comune D. Now, you don't just go to anywhere to buy this Paso Carabile. You don't just go to supermarket and buy it. You must go to the Comune. Now, Comune go issue it to you. Now, on that name, they call this particular place, because it comes out in quiz, they call them ente proprietario della strada. And who is ente proprietario della strada is the comune of that particular road. For example, you stay in Vadagno. Now, Comune di Vadagno will issue you this particular signboard. Is it clear? They will not write a Comune di Vadagno, Comune di Padova, Comune di Bologna. Is it clear? They call them ente proprietario della strada. If you write it down, you will not forget it. So in case tomorrow you hear ente proprietario della strada, you not go forget them. You know what it mean? It means the commune of that particular road. Now, let's go down again. I don't tell you what this signboard mean. Now, under here again, you now see an authorization number. What do it mean? Now the number of authorization will be say the commune give you. Is it clear? You don't need to cram it. Understand that article they write here, now the number of the authorization number. Is it clear? Now, they will not put here the year they issue you that particular Paso Carabile, this signboard. They will write it for you. It will be written there. For example, if they gave it to you in 1995, it will be written there, the date and the year. Is it clear, guys? Now, that is it about Paso Carabile. Remember, it forbids you to park your car there, but you can do fermata. It doesn't stop you from doing fermata. Is it clear, guys? Let us now read it. See, I don't break them down for now, before we read them. Now, Paso Carabile è una zona della strada che consente l'accesso dei veicoli alle proprietà privata laterale. Now, if I'm you guys, I'll write the definition down, because the thing about this first topic is writing definition and understanding information what they give you. Now, just these two things. Simple. Watch. è una zona della strada. It's a part of a road, yes, that allows accessibility to vehicles, to private property owners, owners, because, and if you look at it very well, this their property, they for the lateral side. Is it clear now? It makes sense. Let's continue. Now they can say alla strada. Now it can be garage, it can be cortile, it can be etc. etc. Is it clear?
Mr. Charles,
Yes.
Mr. Charles, please,
Yes,
can you
ma'am.
come back? Can you come back again so that I can know the definition of it?
Now,
You
definition
say
of
it's
this
the
will
part
say
of the
it's a part of a road in English that allows accessibility to vehicles to access their own private property. Is it clear? To have access to their own private property, for them to enter inside. That means you cannot block that particular place. Now they can say, watch. Deve essere corredato da apposito segnale. What's the meaning of corredato? Now, on that name for corredato, is the same thing as saying delimitato. Is it clear? Corredato means it needs to be it needs to be represented by a particular symbol carrying, watch, che report means carrying ente. You see them now. Now, ente is a short way of saying ente proprietario. Now, ente means the comune. They go put the comune of that particular place. Number one. And avero, if you see them for your quiz. Number two, in numero di autorizzazione. You see them now. The number of authority. Now, in your textbook, in some patented book, you will see where they will write l'anno di rilascio. What's the anno di rilascio? The year where they issue that thing. Is it clear? Now, watch. In correspondenza del passo carabile. Ma confound our trouble now because I don't explain this thing before because we are going to see this word forever. Let me call somebody. No verse if I call your name because, we are here to learn together. Mr. Desuama, if I tell you in correspondenza del passo carabile, what do you mean? Because these are the words you guys have been saying. I don't explain this in the last time. If I tell you in correspondenza del passo carabile, what do you understand? See this word, what do you see here? In correspondenza del passo carabile, what do you mean? All right, Mr. Slim Daddy, what do you mean of in correspondenza del passo carabile? What does that word mean? In correspondenza del passo carabile.
Right. Means so that in correspondent of in order of the continuation of the distance.
Wait, yeah, I know say una know for English, but remember in patente one trick. I never talk about this class for the new students. Don't add, don't subtract. No, I know lie to now. If you add or you subtract from this book, you go fail them. This thing mean a particular thing, All right, Mrs. Edithma, what's the meaning of in correspondenza del passo carabile?
Is it corresponded? I don't know, Sha. I don't know.
Okay. Let me ask an old student, but I not go happy if I say any old student don't know this thing. Okay. Just like that. Mr. Eugene Momodu, sir. No be old student, you're a new student actually. What do you mean of in correspondenza del passo carabile? Hello, sir.
I can hear you.
Yes, sir. What do you mean?
It mean at that moment.
In that particular place. In that particular place where passo carabile day. Remember, if you guys, unfortunately, I'm not sure anybody watch my video. I'm talking about the new students, even the old students. But watch. Whenever you hear the word in correspondenza, please write this word down because I don't know how to say it. You will see this word forever. And all this is a little trick where they make the difference in your quiz. In correspondenza del passo carabile, means in that particular place where passo carabile day. Now, what do you mean for our language in broken? In that particular place, in front of passo carabile, they say I'm now. If they can't tell you in vicinanza, it means very close to that place. If they can't tell you in proximita, it means very close to that place. I said it last time. Somebody can't tell me say my repeat them. Somebody can't say my repeat them again. I call repeat them many times. Now they can say in that particular place where passo carabile day. Watch. È consentita la fermata. I'll give you guys 2 seconds to write it down. È consentita la fermata. You can do fermata. If they see I'm now, please write it down. Watch. Ma non la sosta. But you cannot do sosta. Now, for those students who don't understand the difference between fermata and sosta, here no be problem. See, for in front of passo carabile, you can do fermata, but you cannot do sosta. Simple. Watch. Neanche del proprietario, not even the property owner can do this particular thing. Him not even do source stuff for in particular for in front of him gate. Is there any question, guys, concerning passo carabile? Is there any? Ask your questions. Mr. Orobosa, you get question? Mr. Orobosa, you get question?
Yes, I get question.
Yeah, ask me.
Yeah, this one that you explain just now, this in correspondence. I don't know. That one you need to explain it very well. I don't understand.
Allora, I go explain them again, but I go explain them again. But I'm not they watch my videos every time I send them. I'm not let them pile up too much, I beg. If you pile up too much, you know, say if I send them, people they always send videos. You know, go see them again. Once I send them, just download them for your phone so that so that in case when people start sending things, you go see them. It's not even a problem. You can just go in your WhatsApp where you know go to your where that three dot they check everything we don't send. You can find it easily. Now, what to be correspondence? Correspondence, I mean, in a particular place where you find an object. For example, we're talking about passo carabile, passo carabile. And what do you mean of correspondence? If they tell you, say, in correspondenza del passo carabile, in that particular place where this signboard be. Now, on that example, imagine front of your house. If I tell you, say, in correspondenza di casa tua, I mean, say, in the front of your house. I did for the front of your house. In that particular place where that's in the. I mean, that's the meaning of correspondenza. Now, vicinanza means you are close to a particular subject. It depends on the subject. If they can't tell you in vicinanza, you are close to a particular thing. Two of them mean the same thing. So let us be careful when you see these two words. That is correspondenza and vicinanza or proximita. All right, let's continue. So we have 6 minutes here. Now, the next topic we want to see, they kind of, I go advise everybody to pay attention because you know easy. Because this one is one of the topics that we are sharing. It's a topic of its own later on.
Hello, teacher.
Sir?
I beg, please, so this question with this the way you talk just now concerning the proprietor not fit park for the front of this thing, passo carabile. If the proprietor park for that place, is there any fine for the person?
No,
any fine?
There is no foul. It's just that think about it. Say maybe he can park there, even vigilant pass there. He say vigilant know all this thing. You know he can collect multa because him cannot park there, but he can do fermata. If accident happen there, him parking car there, it's a problem. You see it now.
Okay.
Or somebody want go out. Maybe think about it. Maybe let me just show you something. I don't want the picture, or I have it here somewhere. Think about this car now. He come park here. This guy no fit get space to come out. You know, it might be a problem.
Okay.
Wow, who they make noise now? All right, guys, let's continue. So the next topic is passaggio a livello. Please bring out your pen and paper. I'm gonna write this particular thing down. Passaggio a livello, we have 4 minutes. Watch. Let us break it down. When we come out from break, remember, break of just 8 minutes, then we'll continue. Then we'll call it down. I might break that down. Wait till the passaggio a livello. Please watch. Before I continue, I'll ask you a question. I'll find a trouble small before we continue. I like found a trouble small. Now, passaggio a livello, the definition goes like this. È un attraversamento a raso. If I tell you attraversamento a raso, because attraversamento means you are crossing somewhere, you are going through somewhere. The word a raso, we explained in our last class, and I break them down where. Now, the context is passaggio a livello is an attraversamento a raso between the strada and the ferroviario, where the train they pass. I don't know whether anybody especially for a new student. I don't know if you understand what it means. È un attraversamento a raso tra this particular carreggiata and this particular railway line. My ask question, is there anybody here that understand what it means? If you hear the word attraversamento a raso between this and this, what does it mean? Mr. Slim Daddy, from what you explained about intersection a raso yesterday and day before yesterday, what can you tell us about this word? That the definition of passaggio a livello, might show you the definition of passaggio a livello. They said, è un attraversamento a raso, watch, tra una strada e una linea ferroviaria. Now one can break down now. See, they say it's a connection between, watch, between this road and this linea ferroviaria. What is linea ferroviaria? Where train they pass? I can't get question. What does this thing mean? Attraversamento a raso. That's the question. What do you mean?
Which one, my bag? Put your mask,
No. The word attraversamento a raso. What do you mean? Notice my question. Attraversamento a raso. They say it is attraversamento a raso between the road and the linea ferroviaria. Between this road and this place. What did this thing mean? Okay, my person. If you know now.
Yeah,
My brother, may they watch my video. May start to watch my video. Mr. Victor, sir, what is the meaning? What are they trying to tell us here? Attraversamento a raso. Tra the road and the linea ferroviaria.
It means the roads, car with train, they are in the same level.
Thank you very much.
The train
Simple. Track. Exactly. The road and the train track are on the same level. Please, Mr. The person who I called before, sorry. Please remember this. Exactly, okay, sir. Watch. It's an intersection between this road and this linear ferroviaria. They're on the same level. This is the definition of attraversamento passaggio a livello. This is the definition. Now, what is passaggio a livello? We don't see definition that it is the connection between the road and where train they pass. Because that's why many times for road, you go see say, where train they pass, you go say it's a connection between the road and where train they pass. They call it passaggio a livello. Is it clear now? So that tomorrow if you see them, you go know, you don't know what it mean. All right, guys. Having said that, let's continue. Now, we don't see this particular thing. Let me show you something again. Now, the controllers again say, in un passaggio a livello, first of all, remember that linea ferroviaria, now where the train they pass. Now, don't forget. Linea ferroviaria, now where the train they pass. Don't forget. Now, the controllers now say, in un passaggio a livello, si possono trovare. Now, they said, when you pass for where train they pass, that is where this train they pass, you can find the following. You can find the following. What can you find there? Now, please, this part is very, very important. I want to tell you something. This is a lesson of its own. Now, big lesson of its own. But now, if you understand this particular thing, it's an introduction to what we'll see later. Is it clear? Because passaggio a livello, na topic under segnale di pericolo. So you have to understand it very well. Now, they can say, for inside passaggio a livello, you can find the following. Number one, barriera or semi-barriera. So, guys, we have less than 1 minute. We'll continue. Remember, say, we'll go break up 8 minutes or 7 minutes, something like that. You can cook your food, do what you want to do. When we come back, please come back early. Don't come late. I'll just write on the group so we don't start. Then you just join again. Then we'll continue, please. Let's continue before it's finished. Now, they can say, when they pass through this passaggio a livello, you can find barriera or semi-barriera. See them. They say you can find barriera or semi-barriera. Now, what is barriera? Let me show you a picture of barriera. Is this stick you are seeing here? Now, the barriera, now the shorter stick. Why the semi-barriera, the longer stick? Now, this stick where they see here. Now, this stick functions whenever train they pass. Shebuna know. It go come there, it go block there. Once the train don't pass, you can't open, make this road come there free. It happens a lot, Abi. Now, they say when you are passing on passaggio a livello, things you will find is what? You see barriera.